Right now, though, we do have some showers moving on through downtown, kind of missing them at the moment, but some rain will be coming nearby. You can see here what looks like a little haze is some of the rain off in the distance here. And we've seen some lightning from time to time as well, too. Of course, it's never going to flash when I look at it here. But right now we are talking 79 degrees. There's that thunderstorm in Kenner. Feels like temperature is 83. The dew point number 75. Don't be surprised if that gets closer to 80 later today and into the weekend as well. 70s on the North Shore, 80 at Lakefront Airport, and 80s down along the coastline. It does feel like the upper 80s to 90s down there, but really the heat index not going to be an issue with the clouds and rain today. Again, from that tropical wave moving over top of us, that will help to keep our temperatures down a little bit, so there's some good news. But the flooding possible today, maybe an inch of rain today, but all the way through Monday, rain totals over the next 3 to 4 days, about 2 to 4 inches. Now, if that happens in a 4-day span, we can handle that, but know that at some point, rain could fall about 2 inches per hour at times. So we have the storms now, a little break, and then more storms developing a little later on this afternoon as temperatures get in the mid to upper 80s out there. You'll see a live radar showing a batch of rain in Lafayette, another batch over top of our area here, moving up from south to north from Port Sulphur, Boothville, Jean Lafitte area, back toward New Orleans here. And there's that thunderstorm kind of just over the parish line there, kind of just off to the north of Kenner, if you will, North Kenner going into the lake. We'll keep an eye on that. That could try to produce a water spout as well, too. But things are starting to dry out a little bit from Kenner back to River Ridge, Metairie, and the West Bank area or the East Bank here, getting a little rain about to come in toward the CBD. So do be prepared for that as these showers work their way northward here from that tropical wave. As you can see, a little spin showing up here too. Looking at water vapor, that's an upper level low, not a surface low. Surface low would mean potential for tropical development. That's not going to happen here, but this is going to work its way toward the Sabine River and then eventually our way of that weekend and into the first part of next week. And that basically will help to bring us the deeper tropical moisture and threat for some heavy rain and thunderstorms. Now, what will happen is that deeper moisture, while it sits over top of us today through your Saturday, heading on into Sunday, even on into Monday, means any kind of rain that falls will have the chance of being heavier than we usually see as the moisture goes really high. There's a lot of moisture content in the atmosphere, so that keeps our rain chance around 60 to 70% through the Monday time frame. So for today, we have the showers now, a little more developing from lunchtime with more of these storms by 2 o'clock this afternoon, kind of tapering off by 4 o'clock. So the commute home not looking too bad here. Overnight, small chance for some rain out there around 20-30%, mainly along the coast. Heaviest rain totals will be down along the coastline over the next couple of days, but you'll see some more storms on Saturday. This does not look very impressive. I know we'll see a lot more than what this shows, so do be prepared for the wetter weather heading into the weekend. Rain totals about a ½ inch to an inch north of the lake, 1 to 3 inches around the metro area, and about 3 to 5 down there along the coastline, but some areas could pick up a little more. Now, as we head on into the weekend, there's that heavy rain threat into Monday, and then back to more typical weather for late August, later next week.